In the stillness of the early morning, a modern utopia twinkles beneath the receding veil of night. Welcome to the Hinjewadi. As the sun's first rays touch upon the glass facades of the IT park, this city within a city stirs to life, whispering tales of technology and innovation. In the heart of this urban jungle, a peaceful sanctuary rises, home to those who chase dreams with unwavering spirit. Amongst these steel and glass giants, the soul of Blue Ridge truly unfolds, a perfect harmony of urban might and nature's serenity. And for those with a love for the game, the green expanses of the golf course become an arena of joy and competition. As the day gives way, the symphony of lights begins. Hinjewadi, under the velvet night, dances to a different rhythm, lively and inviting. In its lights and shadows, Hinjewadi becomes more than just a location. It becomes an experience, a memory, a dream etched in the canvas of the sky.